Rotate.
Stall.
Takeoff config.
Okay, but what?
Heading 248.
That follows standard instrument departure.
Lion Air 610.
Airspeed disagree. What's going on? Should we request a return to Jakarta?
Landing gear up.
Lion 610.
Climb to flight level 270.
Altitude disagree.
Acknowledged, altitude disagree.
Flight path vector may be unreliable.
Lion 610, turn right, heading 070 to avoid traffic ahead.
Set the pitch attitude. Roger, heading 070.
Please clear 3,000 above and below of traffic.
Okay, will do. What?
Altitude would you like?
It's diving.
It's
It's
diving.
okay, it's okay.
Airspeed.
In the
Fly up. Up.